You've just bought your first car. Congratulations! The open road is ready and waiting, and you can't wait to start exploring. However, as a new car owner, do you know everything that car ownership entails? Your car requires regular care and maintenance to make sure it's running well. Keep watching to learn the most common car owner mistakes and the dangers they can cause. Not fixing scratches. Has your car been dinged in a parking lot or minor fender bender? It can be easy to ignore scratches, dents, or scrapes to save money. However, all damage to your car, however small, should be fixed by a professional body repair shop as soon as possible. Cracks and scratches put the vehicle at risk of rust damage and can damage the paint beyond repair. Not to mention that body damage can dramatically reduce the value of your car. Tire changing issues. If you don't know how to change a tire, learn today. Every car owner should know how to safely change a tire. You should also always travel with a spare. Even if you have a AAA or car service membership, you never know when you might be caught out or without phone service. Don't risk your personal safety. Learn how to use a jack and change a tire. Once you know the basics, it's a simple process. Skipping oil changes. Have you ever skipped an oil change to save on car expenses? Seems fine, the car keeps running, right? Actually, oil changes are very important and should never be missed. Oil and filter changes, if neglected, can reduce fuel consumption, lead to a dirty engine, and can cause your car to overheat. Oil lubricates the engine and keeps it working smoothly. The small cost of regular oil changes can save you huge repair bills further down the track. A top tip: if you're purchasing a used car, always make sure to ask for the car owner's history, which should include proof of regular servicing and maintenance. Check engine lights. Have you ever seen your car's check engine light come on bright on the dashboard? It's hard to know exactly what this means, as it can often be a range of things. Some are small, but others are serious. The check engine light may indicate a loose gas cap, spark plug problems, or major engine issues. Unless you're a car expert, the best action is to take your car to a mechanic as soon as you're able. They can diagnose the problem and make sure your car is safe to drive. Contact us for expert car help in the southeastern Pennsylvania area. Our friendly and professional team can assist with car body repair services, making sure your vehicle is in perfect condition. Get in touch today, and we look forward to helping with all of your car ownership needs. With a bit of love and care, your trusted car can last for years to come. Thanks for watching. Drop us a comment with your car tips, and be sure to like and subscribe.